Hey everyone, just a quick video I thought I'd upload. Been doing a bit of stone carving. Did a course a few years ago with my brother, and obviously was looking into buying some more because the last ones I used were just typical chisels that you get for are used for work engineering chisels. Obviously they blunted and they weren't ideal. And I'm carving a lot of sandstone. Currently making a bird bath for the mother-in-law, and I'd seen a review someone had put on YouTube, eBay even, that they'd bought an SDS chisel. So obviously this was just originally an SDS, just refined with a grinder, giving it a bit more, looks a bit more pleasing to the eye. Kind of see it there. Some markings on it, obviously, and just refine the edge. The good thing about this, it's a tungsten carbide insert, what they call them, TCT, tungsten carbide tipped. So it'll just last an age without having to touch it up. I mean, I've got a green wheel for grinding tungsten carbide, but I shouldn't imagine you'd need to, with it only being on the sandstone. But I've tested it and it works a lot better than my other steel ones. I've got some older ones which are inherited off an old family member that's passed away. But yeah, I mean, it cost me I think it's about £4.70 for that, and a bit, bit of work with the grinder, and you've got a chisel there that's going to last you a lifetime, and even the tip. So, save yourself a few quid. Thought it might be worth someone seeing, worthwhile video to make. Just decided to make it this morning while I'm building this coke forge. So yeah, cheers.